Hey guys, what up? Oh, stop it. Well, I got my baby back. I got my baby. Yes, my wonderful baby back. And guess what? I got. Hold on. Hold on. Stop it. I got two new ones. Woohoo! Awesome. These are so pretty. And the hole is so tight to put this in. Okay, never mind. The old one, I could wiggle it around and pull it out with the car, going. Sandy? I swear to God. Hold on, I gotta take care of business. Whoop. I am gonna squirt you. I got the squirt bottle. I tried him on this before and it didn't work. So someone mentioned it and I thought, okay, I'll try it again. So all I have to do is pick up this bottle and he looks at me with hate and discontent. Oh well, too bad, so sad. But anyway, I got my van, I got my home back, and yeah, it was really cool because as of yesterday, it was gonna probably take until Friday. So, right in the middle of phone calls and stuff, they closed the service department. So this morning I got up and there was some deal like because it had already been ordered for another service station or from another dealer, the people here in town couldn't order it. So I was calling them in the morning to tell them that the guy in Morristown said if they called them and said they needed the part, that they'll be happy to let him have it. And I thought, oh, whew. So when I called them this morning to tell them, because I have a VA appointment on Friday, I don't want to miss it. I've already missed one. But he said, oh, it's already on its way here. And I said, well, is there any way I'm going to get it back today, maybe, please? And he says, I don't know, I can't guarantee it, but we'll work on it. So about an hour and a half later, the phone rings and it was her. And she said, your van's done. And I go, oh my God, thank you so much. Well, my brother had just left for a VA appointment, him and Patty. So I called them and I said, yeah, as soon as I get a ride, I'm going to go over there and pick up the van. And Patty says, well, why don't you drive my car over there, leave the keys in it, because she has a spare key in her, wherever, in her purse or whatever. And she said, I'll just pick the car up from the lot. And I go, okay. So when I went there and I got in the van and I'm oh so happy. I know. Oh my God, where is it? I'll show you what I saw. It's dirty. Ew. I hope you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, that thing. Right here. Well, I thought it was a piece missing, okay? And I went in there and I said, there's a piece missing from the dash. And, so they came out and looked at it. And he said, we put the steering wheel down. That's where the that's where the steering wheel goes when it's back up. I said, oh my God, I'm so sorry, because I've never put the steering wheel down. So I didn't know. So we had a good ha-ha about that. So, yeah. Yeah, I've been on cloud 9, except for one little part. I get a threatening letter from AT&T. Now, I haven't had AT&T ever, okay? Have never had AT&T. They're saying that if I don't pay them $136, they're gonna suspend my service. And what the hell are you talking about? So I decided to go over to Verizon, okay? Because apparently I have Verizon account now. Who knew? I didn't know. And I said, can you explain this to me? He said, well, that's AT&T. I go, I know. How did I get AT&T? He says, I don't know. And so I said, well, can you help me with this? And can you see what's going on? So we figured out my code, and he makes a call, and we got everything straightened out, and I got on auto pay and everything, so everything is cool with my phone. I said, what do I do with this AT&T thing? And he says, I'd just throw it away, forget it, because you don't have an account with them. So I said, oh my God, you're so cool. So, hold on, I'm coming. So I said, what is your name? I want to give you a shout out on my channel, not, that I'm a big star. But I went to the Verizon office right in front of the Best Western Hotel in Newport, Tennessee. And his name is Adam Nassar. And he was so nice and got everything fixed for me. And I am very happy. The only thing I'm not happy about is I didn't get the phone they said I was going to get with the 5G. He said, no, you don't have a 5G phone. You only have a 4G. Okay. So I can deal with that. I can deal with it. Hey! Where's that bottle? I still got it in my hand. So that went good, okay? So today I told my brother that I was going to park in town somewhere tonight. I don't know where yet. And I'm out running my errands that I haven't got to run in a while because I'm not putting my trash into Patty's car, no way, no how. And I'm not filling up their trash that they have to pay for. I have my own way of doing things. I go to the dump, or there's a bunch of, these great big containers that people put trash in. So that's how I deal with my garbage. And I emptied my bathroom, and I'm doing the laundry right now, so, woo! Yeah. I'm so happy. So anyway, yeah, there's a few naysayers on my video, but, yeah, I'm not going to worry about them. They don't know what they're talking about. So, that's what I got to say. I know. Stop it. Okay. Yeah. I know it's not true, so that's, my brother knows it's not true. I'm not imposing, okay? I'm not imposing on anybody. I pull my own weight. It might be work related. I might do things around the house for him, or like I was been cleaning the sidewalk out to the driveway off or whatever. But I'm not a user. Okay, I earn my way, so don't you worry about it. So anywho, that's it for tonight. My laundry's probably done now, ready to be put in the dryer, so I gotta go. So you guys take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo!